welcome back. We are now looking at something called the Dream Mission. So you can unleash your creativity with Dream Mission by Luma AI. This is also touted as the future of video generation. So drive into a world of boundless creativity with Luma AI's latest innovation, Dream Mission. So this revolutionary video generator takes text and images and transforms them to a high quality images unlike any other. It is, if you have used Sora or Kling, some of them are open sources and some of them are partially open source, but Dream Mission is fully open and accessible, setting a standard in digital media creation. So you can uncover the capabilities, which is we can explore how Dream Mission uses a scalable, efficient transformer model trained directly on the videos to produce physically accurately stunning shots. Freedom of imagination. So discover how this tool is not just a video generator, but a step towards universal imagination engine, unlocking new creative possibilities, accessible to all. So it uses advanced technology available to everyone and you don't have to pay anything for it. It's absolutely free. So we now look at a demo of how Dream Machine works live and discuss how you can use it in your video production. If you are a filmmaker, content creator, tech enthusiast, you will be amazed by the new freedom of imagination which are possible through the Dream Machine. So this is the URL which will be available to you in the description. So you just have to click try now and log in with Gmail. I have logged in with Gmail, so that should work for you. And once you are done, I have clicked a video here to be created. This is the video that got created with Dream Mission. And if you want to do another video, I'll show you how this can be done. Just click try now. And let's say here, so video of United States winning cricket World Cup, right? So I know most people, some will like it, some will not like it. If you want, you can type your own country winning the World Cup, so you can do that. And it takes less than a minute to do it. So this is the process to do it. You can just do it and it's done. And if you can click on an enhance prompt here, so that whatever prompt you are typing gets enhanced, amplified, and you get an absolute video. Again, like Sora, you won't get any audio with this, but you can generate the video here. As you can see, this is how the video looks like, and it's not bad, it's not that great, but it's comparable and you don't end up paying anything. So I think Sora does not allow you to do this for free, but with Luma AI you can do it for free. You don't need to pay anything. Cool. So it's creating the video and let's see what it creates, and just wait a couple of minutes. So this was created at 106 and it's 121. So let's see, it takes a couple of minutes, so this should be done. Let's wait a couple of minutes, or I will come back once the video is available for you guys to check out. So the idea here was I wanted to show you the alternative to Sora and how this is a potential useful tool for you, either to use it in your podcast or use it in your content creation scripts or any short films you are making. And you can always embed voice to this. So anything you make, there are enough open source tools wherein you can get audio, or you can create a clone voice with using some avatar and use it. So it's totally up to you how you want to do it. And let's see how this would look like. And just to make sure that, let me also start another video here. Okay, so let me change the video here and let me create one more prompt. Cool. So what I'm trying to show here is there are no limit to what you can do. You can do multiple videos here. So that's the beauty of it. And the good thing is there aren't a limit of what videos we can do. Okay, so the video is now created. You can take a look at this. Cool. So the jersey is not right. Probably the players are also not right, but it is just dreaming and giving you an image that it's not white ball cricket. So it's a T20 cricket. So I was not specific enough. So if you are specific enough, probably it's going to do that. And let's wait for the next video. Yeah, it would be pretty similar because the prompt is exactly the same. So that's all I wanted to go over. And subscribe and hit that bell button to stay updated on the journey of the future of AI driven creativity tools and applications. Thank you for joining.